Hey guys, it's Alaina with The Organized Money and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a plan with me in my classic Happy Planner. You know, I use the Hourly Planner and today we're going to be using some stickers from Christian Designs. I was in Michael's and I saw these, and as you guys know, I am a functional planner, and so these stickers just spoke to me because they are super functional and I felt like that they would be perfect for using in my planner whenever I just needed a splash of color to my spread. So they come in a bunch of different colors, and then toward the back you have a bunch of sticker icons, which this is my absolute favorite because I love icons. This is like all I sell in my sticker shop because I use them so often and I love them so much. So this is what we're going to be using today, and we are currently planning the second week of April. And let me show you what last week turned out like. Last week I did not use any stickers because it was a crazy busy week and I just kind of got started and did not put anything down, did not take any time to plan. I was just kind of going day by day. So this is how it turned out. But this week I did stop and take some time and I am going to lay some stickers down. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so all of the stickers are down. I still have a bunch of stickers left, but as you know, I do not like to put down too many stickers because I like my spread to be pretty functional and I like to have a lot of space so I can write everything in. So now I'm about to go in with my Papermate Inkjoy Gel Pen 0.7 so that I can write down everything that I have going on this week. Okay, so one thing that I just noticed is that my pen does not work well with these stickers. I'm guessing Christian Design stickers do not work well with gel pens. So as you can see, my pen is starting to smudge. So I'm going to take these up because I love writing with this pen so much that I believe I am going to take these up and just write it in and not use these stickers. I'm going to see if they smudge with the other ones that I have laid down and written on, and if they do, then I'll take those up also. So as you can see, I tore right here as I was pulling up the stickers, but that's okay because I'm just going to go in and add some more stickers on top of that one to cover it up. And I'm using the Colorful Boxes stickers in order to cover up. Okay, this spread has given me problems, but it's fine. I got through it, and everything is done. So the main thing that was giving me the most struggle is what I told you about, and that was the stickers that I laid down. I had not used Christian design stickers before, so I didn't realize that you couldn't write on them with gel pens. So I had to pull up all the ones that I needed to write something down on and replace them with colorful boxes from Happy Planner stickers, because those are matte and I could use my gel pen. I'm probably gonna pull this one up also, because I like to be able to use my gel pens, and so I usually stick with matte stickers. I will still use her icon stickers though, because they're super cute and I don't need to write on them. As far as this week, I know this week is going to be super busy for me, so I have left myself a lot of space. One thing that I have been tracking is every day when I wake up, I like to write in the time that I wake up in red right next to wake here. And what that does, it helps me kind of manage my day. So I have a whole bunch of tasks at the top of my day. I also like to try and work out. I'll try and meditate. I'm trying to read. There's a bunch of different things that I'm trying to do throughout the course of the day. So as I get things done, I will usually check them off, and knowing what time I wake up and then noticing how much I actually get done in that day makes a lot of sense to me, because I notice that if I wake up around 6 a.m. or 7 a.m., then I usually get more done than if I'm getting out the bed at 8 or 9. So I like to keep track of how much I get done and kind of compare it to my wake time. So I'm going to do that throughout the course of the week. And I do have a conference this week, so I marked that down. I have meetings and something to do almost every night from Monday until Friday. So I marked that down, and then I have a couple of other random things that I have to do, but for the most part I left everything else blank so that I can write in my to-do list here and throughout the course of the week. So that's it for this plan with me. I know I was on the struggle bus today, but I hope you guys did enjoy it and enjoy planning with me. As you know, my plan with me's are super functional, so y'all let me know if y'all still like these. For the most part, I am just basically talking about my week and telling you what I have going on and what I am planning on doing. So y'all can let me know if y'all still like this type of video by liking this one below, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to head over and follow me on Instagram, and I will talk to you guys later. Keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.